Now let's see what emotional graphics are. But before that, let's discuss the definition of graphics and its history. Initially, humans used their hands to write their words, tried to capture moments. Then gradually his search increased and he invented the camera eye and had started capturing moments through the eye of this camera. And the further he explored, the more he started to animate these graphics, these images, started to give them motion. And now this doesn't get any better than After Effects on top of motion graphics. Graphicsman pictures the image of something that exists. Its conceptual existence collates graphics digitally or on paper and animating it as the name suggests, motion graphics. Giving motion to graphics, giving position, scaling, etc. This is called motion graphics. What are the benefits of motion graphics? Motion graphics attract our viewers' attention, increase their interest, and then keep them engaged for a long time. The better the motion graphics, the longer our viewer will stay engaged, and the benefit of engagement is that he will take our product, our service, and then he will become our follower. He can also become our promoter, meaning the deeper it gets, the sweeter it becomes, and all this is possible through After Effects. The work of motion graphics in After Effects is very easily done. It saves a lot of time. It is a huge cost saving and a huge effort saving. In motion graphics, we animate text, shapes, characters, icons, logos, etc. individually. They also animate text, shapes, characters, icons, logos, etc. These are all the components of motion graphics. Typography, lower thirds, these are coming below the videos of lower thirds. Includes animation of text and shape. There is often call to actions or information about the speaker in it. Animation of logos through motion graphics. Animation of shape lines. I hope you liked this video and you got complete clarity. Take care, elders. Till next time, goodbye.